Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build workflows in Make.com for no-code apps, full guide step-by-step clearly. To activate build workflows in Make.com for no-code apps, start by logging into your Make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your existing workflows. Click on the Create New Workflow button to begin designing your new project. You'll find yourself in the Workflow Editor, which provides several options for building your automation. Select the first module by clicking on the plus icon to choose an app or service to connect. Browse through or search for the desired app that you want to integrate into your workflow. After selecting the app, choose the specific action or trigger that you want to use. Customize the fields in the module based on the data you want to send or receive. Click the Add Module option to include additional steps in your workflow as needed. Repeat the process of selecting apps and defining actions for each module you add. To create conditions or filters in your workflow, utilize the router or filter options. After establishing all necessary modules, review your workflow to ensure all connections are accurate. You can also use the test feature to validate each module before activating the workflow. Once you are satisfied with your setup, click the Save button to store your workflow. To make your workflow live, toggle the Active option to enable it for automation. Finally, monitor the performance and execution of your workflow in the dashboard. This ensures you can make adjustments or troubleshoot any issues that arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.